Welcome back to the channel, everybody. It's your friendly neighborhood Armenian back with another video. If you're stopping by for the first time, my name is Vahe and this is my new 2020 Toyota Supra. Today we're doing something a little different, a little terrifying for me. We're going to be letting my wife drive the Supra for the first time. Full disclosure, she's never driven the car. This is going to be a true initial reaction to her and for me, and if I scream like a little girl, it's all justified. So let's get right to it. Here's what it's like inside the cabin for those of you that haven't seen it yet. Definitely check out a couple of my other videos that I did, small reviews on the car. I'll put a card up here. Yes, the most important part of the driving, making sure you look good.
Well, I'm being filmed and I don't want to look like a troll. Yay! I see the heads-up display. Oh, that's cool. I could never see it from over there. Okay. This car is like, there's too much roof, man. Can't see anything. We're going left?
Yes.
And I have to remember that it's really long. I can't see shit over there. There's nobody coming, I'm going. Alrighty. Hold on to your nalgas. Yeah.
Oh,
Did you forget what car we were in?
Go ahead, put it in sport.
Scare some cyclists. Oh! Oh my god. And I'm not doing anything.
That's what you want to hear.
There was a squirrel in the road, for the record. I didn't want to hit it. I brake for animals. Yes, I'm one of those people.
Give it some yes. Okay, slow down. Hope you all enjoyed watching my wife drive my new Supra at my expense. Was a little fearful at first, some high throttle accelerations, but overall it wasn't as bad as I was expecting. Slightly over dramatic on my part, but it wasn't that bad. Maybe we'll let her drive again in the future.
Maybe on some fast roads?
Some faster roads, okay, sure, we'll see. Let me know if anyone's interested in that, in making like a series of my wife drives. So this will be part 1. Leave a comment below with your thoughts. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button. Appreciate all the support. And if you're stopping by for the first time, hit that subscribe button right over here.
Subscribe.
We got tons of automotive content, tons of Toyota Supra content, and it's going to be coming at you really quick. But as always, thank you all so much for watching. Until next time, peace.
Should we do one more? Hi. Bye. Hi. Peace. Peace. Bye.